decisions of who I wanna be with.
Haha.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? A full-grown man like you don't know what you want?
I want to see Emma. Where is Emma?
You cannot see Emma. See how do you know?
I want to see Emma.
You can't see Emma. See how do you know good? And even if you want to see her, me, I don't know who she is.
You don't know who Emma is?
I don't know who she is.
How come you told me she came to see me and I was sleeping?
Did you come? You came out here to receive fresh air. Please, let's just walk around. Before you go inside.
Gate man, please open the gate. I want to go and see Emma.
Excuse me. Respect yourself now. You know you are not fully recovered. Go back to your duty. You go and do what you're doing.
Why don't you want me to go and see Emma?
Because Emma is in Abuja. She is happily married. She is married and she lives with her husband in Abuja.
Her husband?
Yes.
She's married?
Yes. That is the more reason you have to forget about Emma and think about yourself. You're doing yourself more harm than good. Emma is living her life, enjoying herself in Abuja, and here you are wasting your own life. And I did not mean wasting your life. I mean enjoying your life.
Just wanna be happy. Oh yeah. I've been going through a lot in my life, wishing to find a peace. I've been going through a lot in my life, hoping to meet the right person. Oh, why can't I make this choice for myself? Oh, why can't I make decisions of who I wanna be with? Oh, love is about the hurt and not about the material things. Oh, love is from the hurt and not about the classic lovers.
Do you like cartoon? Do you watch cartoon? Like Teletubbies? I get it. I want to show you something. Hope you don't mind. This is me in my NYC orientation camp marching. You know how all these military people can be very mean with coppers. Stand here, do this. When the governor comes, sometimes they say should use our cap. They have to chase for the governor. You know it, Abby. See where I was marching. It's because of my hips. That's why I'm not marching well. Not like. Okay, let me remove this one. Like you don't like this one. Okay. So this one. Campus. When I was in campus. This one. This particular slippers, I had it for 3 years. See, these 3 people now, we did cultural day in school. Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. You don't like my pictures, sorry. Do you have pictures in your phone?
Yeah.
I heard you are a trained doctor.
Yes.
Hey! A trained doctor behaving like this. Hey! How will you not treat your own patients? See, this is the more reason you have to pick the pieces of your life and stand up. This woman, she has moved on with her life. You are keeping your life in one place and it's not good. Eh? Now you are a trained doctor. Doctors are the ones that treat patients. It's not patients that will treat doctor. Okay, now that I'm not. I wonder why such a handsome guy should go through all of this.
Whatever is happening to that young man is caused by his mother. His mother is the root cause of what is happening to him. Mama, if she had allowed these children to be, what is happening will not be happening now.
Mama, I think Emma did not love him in the first place.
Who told you that?
I had a discussion with him.
Dave? David, what's going on? Bro.
Welcome.
Thank you. Who are you?
My name is Ijoma. I'm Madam Stella's daughter.
I see. But how long has it been like this?
For a while now.
Why?
Don't know. His father said it's called trauma. Maybe from past experiences or something, I don't know. But he said he will come around. That's what the doctor, his father, said.
Me. Bro, why are you doing this to yourself? You're worried about another girl that's married to another man.
Please, who is Emma?
Emma is his ex, and she's married to another man now.
Go to Emma. I brought juice for you so that you will drink. Let me open it. Yeah? I brought juice for you, David.
Bro.
I don't want any juice. Don't you get it? Emma is what I want.
He's not getting any better. He keeps calling Emma.
Emma. That girl. The day I left here, I called her. And I was very surprised that she doesn't have my number saved on her phone. And I'm sure she doesn't even have David's number too.
I thought they were lovers.
Oh, so I actually thought they loved each other, but it is obvious that David loves her more than she loved him. And that was why she immediately ran off to marry another man. That girl is very She hung up the call on me. I was very embarrassed.
I think with this, it's the more reason David has to move on with his life as soon as possible. He has to forget about her.
I agree with you. But please, I want you to support him. Yes, he really needs that emotional and mental support right now. And I understand that this is not your plan, or this was not your plan after your NYC. But please just help him.
To think that Emma is married means she was seeing her husband and David at the same time. Yes, because her marriage was so sudden.
It's obvious. I can read in between the lines.
My
She was double dating.
My point exactly.
I just feel for him. I feel so sorry for him.
So how is he?
He's sleeping.
What?
He's sleeping, Mama.
Sleeping? That young man has not slept for days. He's sleeping. How did you do it?
Just wanna be happy. Oh yeah. I've been going through a lot in my life, wishing to find a peace. I've been going through a lot in my life, hoping to meet the right person. Oh, why can't I make this choice for myself? Oh, Why can't I make decisions of who I wanna be with? Oh, love is about the hurt and not about the material things. Oh, love is from the hurt and not about the classic lovers.
Do you like cartoon? Do you watch cartoon? Like Teletubbies? I get it. I want to show you something. Hope you don't mind. This is me in my NYC orientation camp marching. You know how all these military people can be very mean with coppers. Stand here, do this. When the governor comes, sometimes they say, should use our cap. They have to cheer for the governor. You know it, Abby? See where I was marching. It's because of my hips. That's why I'm not marching well. Not like. Okay, let me remove this one. Like you don't like this one. Okay. So this one. Campus. When I was in campus. This one. This particular slippers, I had it for 3 years. See, these 3 people now, we did cultural day in school. Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. You don't like my pictures, sorry. Do you have pictures in your phone?
Yeah.
I heard you are a trained doctor.
Yes.
Hey! A trained doctor behaving like this. Hey! How will you not treat your own patients? See, this is the more reason you have to pick the pieces of your life and stand up. This woman, she has moved on with her life. You are keeping your life in one place and it's not good. Eh? Now you are a trained doctor. Doctors are the ones that treat patients. It's not patients that will treat doctor. Okay, now that I'm not.
Mama, I do not even know who to blame for his predicament. The mother or Emma?
I feel so sorry for him, Mama. What he's going through could have happened to anybody.
The news of Emma's marriage broke him into 1,000 pieces. He devastated that boy.
This is what we call pure love. Even when he has found out that Emma is married to another man, he has refused to accept the glaring reality.
But I still maintain that Prof is the reason for what has happened to that boy.
You're not far from the truth, Mama. Oh, Mama, you see these big made children, they don't take rubbish. They don't take nonsense. Patience, they lack it. You see that day that Prof insulted that girl, when she asked her to get out of the house, that was the day she decided to accept the other man's proposal.
You think so?
I know so. Mama, I'm a girl. You see, Kenedy has been in the picture long before she even met David.
Girls.
It's the truth. It's just that she was just trying to choose who is best for her. You understand? But Prof had to help her make the decision. Because after her encounter with Prof, the poor girl decided to roll with the butcher big boy.
And she married one out of the other one.
Who won't do that? Mama, see, let me tell you. You see David, you see Emma. I don't think they were ever meant for each other. She was just between these 2 men, Kenedy and David. She was trying to choose who's best for her. And since David, now, the mother was misbehaving, who wants to choose the other person? Because who wants to enter fire? The way Prof is behaving, she will be scared now. And after all, well, she won't have love. She has somebody to choose from. If it's like other girls now that have not even seen somebody to say hello to them, to talk of hi to them, at least you now start complaining. But then they have 2 suitors. They have the right to choose.
Ijoma!
Good day, ma. What are you doing, ma? Please sit. You sent for me. Yes, I did. Sit. I want us to talk. Sit down. So, please sit. Ijoma, you are doing a great job with David. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're done with your NYSC?
Yes, sir.
I am thinking of employing you to continue taking care of David so that I can fully come back to his feet.
But, ma, I don't want to. That's not the kind of job I want for myself.
Oh, I was thinking a job is a job. What kind of job do you desire for yourself?
Ma, as a young graduate, I want to go out to the streets and look for a good job, a good paying job, so I can liberate my family from poverty. You know, some children are opportunity to be born with silver spoon, while some are born into lack and hardship. I happen to be one of them. I know what it took my mother to train me in the university, and I still have younger ones. So I would want to have a good job so I can assist her in training them.
I am thinking of employing you, instead of jumping under the scorching sun for a jump hunt, looking for where you'll be employed. I am thinking of gainfully employing you to continue taking care of David until he's fully back on his feet.
I'm sorry, ma. With all due respect, ma, I want an office job. I don't want to be a nanny.
It's not as if this is coming with nothing. I will pay you weekly. I'll pay you 50,000 naira every week until David is fully back on his feet.
50,000 naira weekly. That's what you'll be paying me, like weekly, not monthly.
Yes, like weekly.
That means 200,000 a month.
Yes, some months can come with 5 weeks, so it's 250.
How did she call?
For a job opportunity. To be a nanny to David.
It will never happen. I did not send you to the university to graduate and then choose a job of a nanny. What is that?
When you have asked how much is this money?
I don't care. I do not care whatever it is. Did you accept?
No, I told her I want to work in the office. I do not want to work as a nanny.
Good.
But Mama, we should consider David first.
Ijoma, whatever is happening to that boy is her own business. She's the architect of her own misfortune. You should not put it on me. No.
50,000 weekly.
For what?
The salary weekly. That's what she'll be paying me.
Even at that.
Yeah, Mama? 50,000 weekly. That's 200,000 a month.
I don't care. Even like you 1 million.
That's Mama, school fees.
Ijoma, I am really impressed as your work as David's nanny. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Actually, I should be the one thanking you so much because I noticed he's doing well. Even though the work is hackling, it's a heavy task, but you're doing it with all diligence. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I've noticed something. I don't know how you did it, that David was able to forget Emma. Because I noticed for some time he has not been mentioning that name around here. Thank you so much for the way you are taking care of my son.
Ma, it's God. It's God in heaven that did it, not me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is it? We agreed on the salary, right? And that is salary for the week, 50,000 naira.
Ma, please, can you take it? Hold on.
No.
I'm sorry, ma. I don't need. No, I need the money, but I don't want it, ma.
But you worked for it, you earned it.
Yes, I know.
It's money.
Yes, ma, but I have decided not to take anything from him.
What?
Ma, please, just see it this way. What if David were to be my brother? Won't I take care of him? I will take care of him without demanding for anything. All I want is for David to get better, for him to get back on his feet. Then I will go out there and look for a good job.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. I am kind of speechless.
Ma, please don't be. You've been very kind to my mother. She has been with you for years. You and your husband. You two have been taking good care of her, paying her salary. David is like a brother to me. This is the least I can do for him.
If she thinks it, it's okay. She refused to collect the money that was meant to be for her brother.
Who are you referring to?
Ijama.
But I thought you both agreed on salary.
Yes, we both agreed that I pay her 50,000 naira every week. At that point, she didn't say anything until today.
I'm surprised.
Same as me, because I was shocked in my bone marrow as to what I heard and thought today.
Anyway, I've always known that girl to be a very good girl.
I'm telling you. Obviously she is. Honey, have you noticed our son's sudden improvement? Practically improved.
You're laughing. It is your over-possessive behavior that caused him the trauma. Now you're laughing.
Honey, but I've said I am sorry already. Is it not enough? Is it not enough?
You're sorry.
I'm rubbing it on my face.
Okay, I hope you learn from it.
Honey, once David bounces back on his feet now, he is free to love any girl of his choice. Whether from a rich background, whether from a poor background, in fact, from any tribe. Even the lowest of tribe, I don't care. I don't mind. Let him just be happy.
Are you serious right now?
I'm serious. Very serious.
Dad. Son! I'm amazed.
Dad, I want to step out. I want to see someone.
Are you sure you'll be fine?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. See you soon.
Okay. Wow.
Honey? Do you notice something?
What?
David did not talk to me. He didn't even behave as if he noticed anybody like me yet.
Are you expecting any response from me? Yeah.
Oh, What, Mama?
Guess now.
Mama, you know I'm not good at guessing. What is it?
Okay. David stepped out of the house.
Which David?
The one you know, what sort of person is that?
David?
Yes.
How come? I don't know.
Hey, that young man is in a perfect condition. Yes.
Mom, David drove out of the house?
Yes.
Mama, are you sure he's fit enough to drive out?
Perfectly okay. You need to see the surprise on his parents' faces when we were moving out. I am so happy. Hey!
David, this is a miracle. I'm so happy for him. I can't wait for him to come back home.
Of course.
See me.
He'll come back. He's not going to sleep there now. So he'll surely come back.
Immediately I just left, he just left.
Sure, like that. He will surely come back. He's not going to sleep there.
So I went out and David went out too.
Sure.
Hey! God Almighty. That boy is so handsome.
You young girls, you don't really remove your eyes from these handsome men. You look at them, piam, 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 piam. You, Ijoma.
Mama, it's not a bad thing. Someone can wish for anything they want in this life. After all, ask and it shall be given to you. Me, I wish to marry somebody like David. A handsome man like him. A man that has muscle, grabinos, you know. A man that is, you know, Akmobi. Well-fed man.
Prof will just have your head. Fiam! Like that.
Mama, what is it? Why? Is she the one that's going to marry us? After all, it's not David I'm talking about. I just said I wish to marry somebody like him. I did not say David. I said somebody like him.
You're asking me that question. Ijoma. Ijoma. How many times did I call you? Good.
Whoa! How do you know this thing?
I know this thing.
Wait a minute, just turn it off and try it on again.
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing.
Wow. Thank you so much. You're really godsend.
I know.
Sorry, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Sophia. How about you?
My name is Dr. David.
Dr. David.
Yeah.
Okay. So what hospital do you
I just graduated in the UK. So I'll be starting work at my dad's private hospital.
Oh, your dad is a medical doctor.
Yes, doctor.
Nice.
Crazy.
I guess your mom is a doctor as well.
Not really. My mom is a lecturer at the State University.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Professor Gloria.
That's your mom?
Yes.
Oh my
Professor
God.
Gloria, yes.
Wow.
Anyway, I don't know. I would love to see you more. I don't know if I can say it.
Fine. My phone is in the car, but I can just...
I will just bring my phone so you can just drop it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll call you.
Don't forget to call me.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
See you.
Hey! Overtreat the confidence that can. Hey! He's wealthy. Look at the six pack. You even know when I give her my color. Not that chimpanzee that's always there stopping me up and down. Ricky. Huh? See, fine boy. Fine boy. Hey! I like. New boyfriend, yeah. Ah!
Mama, now that David is back on his feet, I think this is the right time to get a good job for myself.
I can't wait for you to be gainfully employed, my daughter.
Mama, I just need a good job so I can wipe away your tears.
You surely have one. That's the truth. That's my prayer for you every day.
To think that you have to become a housekeeper so you can take care of us is something I hold dear to my heart. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you.
David.
Madam Stella, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good
Hey,
afternoon.
how are you doing?
I'm fine. Hi.
Do you want something?
Not really. I just came to pick his glass.
Oh, okay. Is that all?
That's all.
Okay.
I'll be in my room.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I'm so happy. So happy that he's on his feet again. Perfect. Hey, Joma.
Me too, I'm happy. Welcome,
Thank you.
how was work today?
Long day, it's 9 already. Miss Madam Stella around?
My mother, no, she went to the market. Is anything the matter?
Hey, I'm so worried. I don't know if you can help me get something.
No, that's not a problem. Let me get you. Sit down.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, let me call my baby. I know how he's doing.
Hello? Hey, you. How are you?
I'm great. Are you still at the hospital?
No, I'm back home. I'm really tired.
Hey, you need to rest though. I would have come to see you, but I understand that you're working and I know that you need to rest.
No, don't worry. I'll just shower and get to bed. What about you, Joe? How are you?
I just went out to go and get some things at the plaza.
Oh, okay, that's good. Anyways, I'm eating. Alright.
Alright, baby. I love you. Alright. Bye.
I'll call you back, okay?
I have some baby. Love you.
Hello? Yeah, not quite long ago. I'm in my room now. No, you can't come to my house now, and you know it. Look, yeah, I know this is not good for us. My mom. Look, I'm my only child. You know what? I'll be on my way to you this evening, okay? As soon as I'm out. Alright, I'll get to talk to you pretty soon, okay? Alright. Sure, it's just... Why did you just give me your virginity? Knowing fully well I'm in love with one another woman. Thank you for that today.
You don't need to thank me.
You're a beautiful lady. You're as beautiful as your heart.
I know.
Babe. Jeez, you're the bomb.
Told you.
It's a woman's girl. You know I've never had sex like this the longest of time.
That's so sweet.
Really? I know.
Sure. Could have made him hang up on me like that. I guess his mom walked into the room too. Maybe he's going to go back.
Hello?
Hello? Babe. What happened?
Babe, I'm so sorry. My mom just drove in and came to check up on me.
Not as much. Is everything okay?
No problem at all.
I was worried.
Stop.
That's fine. I'll talk to you later.
I'm not mommy's boy. She's just making sure I'm fine, that's all. Yeah, she's gone. I will just quickly step in, have a shower, and get prepared to come see you, okay?
I'll be here.
Cause I found peace in you. I found joy in you. I never expected it to happen this way, but it gave me reasons to smile again. Oh, what a feeling. Anytime I close my eyes, it's you that I see. Letting you go is not an option.
You know,
Please will
the
you
other
be
thing that came
with
to
me?
my life is being beautiful about the world. I love you
My
now.
baby.
I love you tomorrow. I love you forever.
I know it sounds rather ridiculous. I
I
love you so
can't
much.
believe that I'm falling for
Yeah, my name is into this time.
Is this
Oh,
love that I'm
look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Cause I found peace in
Happy
you. I found joy
birthday.
in
I do.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't know. I think just do something with
I
you.
never expected it to happen this
Yeah,
way,
for now, I'll
but
share
it
my
gave me
Africa.
reasons to smile again. Oh, what a feeling. Anytime I close my eyes, it's you that I see.
What do you think you're doing?
I don't understand.
Why would you be sleeping with two women at the same time?
I love them as much as they love me.
Bro, that's ridiculous. I mean, Ijeoma gave up a white collar job just to be with you and to see you get back on your feet.
And I try to pay her back.
David, you are awake.
Yeah.
I want you to get your food.
Okay, thank you. Can I have it? Don't worry, I can feed myself.
I am happy that you are back. You are okay now.
No. I see you've been around, Dikeh. What's your name?
Wow. You asked me what's my name. My name is Ijeoma. I'm Madam Stella's first child.
Really? Your mother Stella's daughter? You're really beautiful.
I'm happy you're okay.
Thank you for playing a part in my well-being. I owe you my life.
No, you don't owe me your life. You owe God your life, not mortal.
I'll repay your kind heartedness. I'll write you a check of 1 million naira so that I'm donating. Okay?
No, I don't want. No, I don't need it. I don't want the money from you. I did not do it for the money.
1 million naira.
I don't want.
Tried to pay her back, but she declined. She refused to collect my money.
Well, she fell in love with you, and that was why she refused the 1 million you offered her.
I know. But I just wish I never met Sophia, Funny enough, I met her on my way to come see you. That's how life just took a new turn in that chapter. And that's how life took a different turn, and I fell in love.
Well, if you ask me, I'd say you focus on Ijeoma. She deserves all your attention. There's no need to double date.
She doesn't go to ask me questions. Like who I'm with, she doesn't care if I'm with anybody. She loves me selflessly. More reason she offered me her virginity.
What?
Yeah.
Bro, she gave you her virginity?
Yeah, she gave me her virginity on the platter, but I didn't ask for it, she gave it to me. Look, I was on the call with Sophia the other day and she just got into my room and just opened up that curvy body of hers. Bro, what did you expect me to do?
Then why didn't you decline?
Declined? Yes. Have you seen Ijeoma? Oh no. Have you seen? Okay, no, you haven't. She's beautiful. Wait.
So let me answer your question. If you had to make a choice, who would you choose?
Bro, look, I'm stuck in between. Sophia on one end, the classy, beautiful, you know, kind of lady I'll choose over and over again, and there's Ijoma on the other end. Beautiful in and out. Bro, look, I'm confused, man. Confused.
Very funny. Bro, I mean, it is ridiculous. You can't love two women equally.
No, that's the case.
You want to be polygamous in nature? Your father was never polygamous.
No, I'm not, you know. I'm not.
Oh my God. What's keeping this guy? Must he keep me waiting for eternity? I've not told you that you can keep Rachel waiting. Okay. So skinny. Come in. Come on. What kept you?
Sent for me.
Yes, it's here for you. How can you what's wrong with you? Come here. What's wrong with you?
I've not done this before.
You've not done what?
You just into trouble.
Oh, I don't like it. Come, don't struggle. Come on.
Don't do this to me.
Why are you gonna like it? I'm the sweetest girl you can ever have. Come on.
Sorry. You ready to jump off?
You startled me.
I know. How have you been?
Fine. I'm busy.
I know. I can see.
Where are you coming from?
I've been at Benson's. I went to see him.
Okay.
Look, I'm so hungry. What do you have for me?
There's food. I'll just dish your food.
Okay.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Because I'm fond of looking at you. I'll do my room.
I shouldn't serve your food in the dining.
My room.
Stop, leave me, just stop it now. Oh, stop it now.
Say what did you say? I'm sorry.
That's it again.
Okay. That is just screaming. I love you, angel.
I love you too.
You do?
Mm-hmm. Don't do that to me. I don't like it too. I don't like it. I don't like it.
You I love you, okay?
You are not ashamed of yourself. I am ashamed for you. I'm not ashamed of yourself. What kind of thing is this? You make difficult. George, your daughter raped the couple.
What did you just say? Yes. She raped another person?
Yes.
Rachel! Rachel! Are you going to stand here moping and not answering me? My friend, will you answer me?
Hey. God.
Rachel!
You know the worst part? The cook is suing her for rape.
Despite my pleading, he refused. Oh my God, where's the cook?
He left. Selfless.
Unbelievable. My only daughter. Huh? What is going on? Hi.
See what has become of him.
Debbie, sometimes I get amazed at the way time flies. Just look at David, the small boy of yesterday. Now he's 29. So, I think it's time you did the needful.
I don't understand.
Come on. It was so difficult to understand here. You broke up with Emma a long time ago, and we were expecting you to bring someone else home by now.
That I know. I'm just taking my time.
David, you have been given all the time in this whole world. Introduce to us the girl you are seeing. Simple. Yes.
Mom, I need more time. I'm just trying to put things properly. I need more time.
David, you're 29. You should be considering marriage by now. What other family are you looking for?
Look, David, it will surprise you to know that we gave birth to you when I was 28.
You can imagine a man.
Dad, here you go again. Look, this is the 21st century.
David,
Mom.
you have a time frame, and it starts counting from now to propose to a girl and bring her home to us. What is all this? You are 29 and still single. Besides, you're our only child and the only male child of the family.
Mom, I know. That's why I said give me more time. I'm putting things in place. Besides, I don't want to make a mistake in picking a spouse. It's going to be big trouble for me. And I'm not cutting for all that. So just give me more time, please.
Unfortunately, David, you don't have time. I mean, look at us. We are getting old and we need grandchildren.
Of course, plenty of them.
Okay? So, if you are finding it difficult to find someone to bring home, then I'm afraid we are going to intervene. And in that case, you will have to make do with our choice. Simple.
No, Dad. No, look. I'll make my own choice for myself, please. Okay? Just give me time.
David, do all you have to do. That thing you ought to do it immediately.
Okay. I'm not going anywhere. What's wrong with you? Go and enter the car. You are going to leave out. Move. Mom, let me be.
Honey.
She's going to leave out. Let her enter the car.
I know what to do. Adam. Go into the car. I don't want them to handle it, okay?
I don't like the way you are romancing this issue. Let us get enter the car and go to rehab.
Oh, she's going there now.
Go! Move! Dad!
Hmm?
What is wrong with me? I'm fine.
I know. Let's just go.
You are fine. I'm good. You are good.
You are good.
I'm good. I'm very good. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine.
No, you are good. Go. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's just go out. I'm taking you to go out.
Dad, going where?
Huh?
To go with you?
Enter the car. We are going somewhere.
Go with you?
Yeah.
Okay, Dad. I go with you.
Good afternoon.
Happy birthday. Sorry, I was not able to make it.
But I told you.
My interview and your birthday clashed.
Anyways, you stood me up yesterday. I was waiting for you to turn up, but you didn't turn up.
I'm sorry. Circumstance beyond my control. I promise I'll make it up to you.
It's okay.
And so where are you going?
I want to step out. I want to quickly see my friend. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Okay.
IG, I have something to say.
What's that?
My parents asked me to bring the wife I want to marry. Yes, the woman I want to marry.
Really?
Yeah, and I want to go give her some money so that she could get some clothes and look good on that day.
You want to go give her some... Okay, she doesn't... Oh, you... Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yes. Congratulations to her. She's very lucky. Lucky to have you.
I'll see you soon, okay?
I saw people driving now. So I got talking.
And you forgot that I'm waiting for you. Papa?
He was angry that I did not attend his birthday party.
I have told you to put an end to whatever is between you and David.
It's not as easy as you're saying it, Mama.
Ijoma, if that thing gets out of hand, do you know what will happen to us here? We will automatically be thrown out of this house.
There will be no need for that. Unfortunately, he's already on his way now to go and propose to the woman
Who told you that?
he loves.
Who told you that?
He told me himself.
The two of you are close to each other. Even the blind man feels exactly what you feel for yourselves. His choice of choosing another person over you is what I don't really understand. And it is the reason you should just put an end to this whole thing.
I love him so much, Mama. I love him. It's not easy.
Ijoma, he has now gone to choose somebody over you. How do you feel about it?
I feel so sad. I feel so terrible, Mama. If a soothsayer had told me that David, after professing all his love for me, would leave me to go and propose to someone else, I swear I wouldn't have believed. I don't know how to express myself when I'm sad, but I'm heartbroken, Mama.
It's okay. Wipe those tears. A good man will come ask for your hand in marriage. Kill whatever feelings you have for David.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you.
So how was your birthday celebration?
It was fine.
It was good, right?
Yeah.
You didn't invite me for your birthday celebration, so I had to wait here for you. But anyway, since you're here, I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I also have a surprise for you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you wanna hear?
Yes, of course. Oh.
My parents said I should bring the girl I want to marry for introduction.
Really?
Yeah.
So you taking me?
As soon as I'm leaving here, I'm going straight to her house to give her some money to get some nice clothes.
I don't understand. Wait. You? I should have known you were a cheat. So you've been cheating on me all this while?
Babe, calm down. Why are you sorting out the boss?
I don't understand you now. You've been cheating on me all this while?
Babe.
Oh, I see. You've been sampling me, eh? You've been having sex with me. Just... It's good. It's alright. It's fine. I thought you loved me. You kept telling me you love me, and you have someone else you want to get married to.
Babe, look, it's no.
You know what? Babe, you are stupid. You're a fool.
It hasn't gotten to name calling.
Yes, it has gotten to that. You know what? Just leave my house. Okay? I'm done. Just leave my house. Leave! In fact, you can stay here if you want to stay. But I don't want to see you when I get back. I'm going to do something stupid.
Stop now. Stop these tears. It's enough. Prof asked me to prepare vegetable and periwinkles. Let's get to work. You know it. If it is not done on time, you know her. She'll start yelling. Don't want anybody to yell her. EJ, will you stop?
I know what to do now. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm leaving this house.
Why? Okay, it shows I'm not over you. Did I not warn you?
I'm after everything. Everything. So sad, I feel so bad.
Ijoma, I told you, I warned you. Collect whatever monetary offer that is coming from that end. It's not bad. Now you have lost everything. And you can't. If somebody walks in here now and asks why you're shedding tears, what will you explain to the person?
That David broke my heart.
That David broke your heart.
Can you imagine that guy?
I see him.
Look at what he's doing. Oh my God. Really? Black. Very, very black. So beautiful. Are you okay?
Babe, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay.
I know I should have told you this a long time ago.
What is it? Say it already. What is it?
I am the crown prince of my kingdom.
I don't understand. You mean you were a prince?
Yes?
How come I don't know about it? I mean, how come you didn't tell me all this while?
Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, Dave, what's up, man? Oh wow, so how did it go? Did you tell Ijoma about it?
David sent me Mama, see what David sent to me. David just sent me 300,000. He said I should use the 300,000 he just sent to me to get a dress. I'm seeing his parents this weekend.
I don't understand.
Is everything alright with him?
I understand. I know that face.
Why me? Why did you choose me? I mean, of all the girls you've seen in this world, of all the girls you've come across with, you choose me?
Babe, I have been through so much in the hands of girls. And when I found you, I had peace. I am so glad that I found true love. That's all I've ever wanted.
God. God, who am I? Who am I that you have shown me mercy? You're a prince.
You were a good lady and you deserve it. Yes.
I don't know what to say. I'm feeling hot.
I know that feeling.
I don't know what to say. Okay. What about your parents? Are you sure they will accept me?
Well, at this point, they don't have a choice but to accept you because I choose you.
Okay. What about the princess, the princesses? I mean, your sisters.
I have 4 siblings. So I'm the first. 3 girls and 1 boy.
Okay, sit. Let me go fetch my mom. Okay?
Hi.
Okay.
I just feel so restless. I don't know, I feel your parents, I don't know.
What is it? Calm down, relax. Okay? Hey, look. Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay. I love you. And I want to be with you. So my mother has no choice but to accept you, okay? So just relax.
I don't know, I just feel she will not accept me. I don't know how I'm feeling.
Hey.
I'm already having it.
No, you should not. Just easy, okay? Easy, allow me to handle it. Okay? Hey, relax.
I think I should relax so I can know.
Just calm down.
Mama, I'm so scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Calm down.
Okay? Sit well. Arrange yourself very well. Calm down, look at happen, okay?
You're a prince.
It's so sorry. Wow! So Ijoma is finally the chosen one. My friend, Gary has a fiance now.
Wow. I'm so happy.
Relax. I really do it. Relax. Calm down. Okay? You see them soon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Go for a doctor, ma.
David, is she the one? John.
Yes, Mom. She's the one. Mom, I love Ijoma so much. My world revolves around her, and life is meaningless without her here.
I'm so proud of you.
You made the right choice.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
Angel, come.
Dad, thank you. Thank you for all you do. Thank you.
It's not cheating. Look, you are my only child. And I want the best for you. Okay?
Okay.
Mom. Baby, come.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you. I love you. I love you so much, Mom.
I have a secret. Okay? I was really wishing that my son looked your way. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh! Stella! My in-law. Welcome to the family.
Babe, come on, I'm waiting for you. Women. We're going to be late, so we're going to be late.
How do I look?
Oh my God, look at you. Wow, you look... Oh, you look amazing, baby.
Thank you.
Come here.
Is the dress you took from me?
Yeah, awesome. Oh, it smells so good, baby.
Is it perfume you got from me?
It's all yours, this woman. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
What's so looking like this? Make sure we'll still go out. So one time.
Baby, don't tell me you're jealous of her.
No, I'm just, you know.
Give that yourself.
Really?
Yeah. You're looking cool.
Okay. Go.
My love.
How did she get into my house? Wait, what are you doing here?
Babe, I just simply made a joke with you and then you ran off into somewhere.
Sophia, please, as you can see, I've moved on and I expect you to do the same too.
Okay. I thought we had something good going on between us. I know we're perfect together.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I've moved on. Just, no, please. Please just move on your life.
Everything I said to you was just a joke. You just ran off.
Sophia, look, as you can see, I am happily married. I'm married. Please. And I found peace.
Fine. Okay. You're a good man. And I see you're now happy. So I wish you both the best. Thank you. Bye. Can we go now?
Yes, maybe we can.
Believe that I'm falling for this. Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, yeah. 'Cause I found peace in you. I found joy in you. Oh, I never expected it to happen this way, but it gave me reasons to smile again. Oh, what a feeling. Anytime I close my eyes, it's you that I see. Letting you go is not an option. Please, will you be with me forever? Oh, my baby. I can't believe that I'm falling for this. Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, yeah. 'Cause I found peace in you. I found joy